Welcome to Foodwise Part 2, and in Part 1 we had discussed about HFSS food items, that is food items which are high in fat, salt and sugar, and why are they harmful to us. So ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research, has set certain RDA, that is recommended dietary allowance of health sensitive nutrients, that is fat, salt and sugar. So if one consumes too much of these FSS and for a longer duration, so that person can suffer from NCDs, that is non-communicable diseases like heart diseases or diabetes or hypertension. And these days children are consuming a lot of packed products which contain fat, salt and sugar in high amounts. So let us explore the packed food items which are available in the market and read their nutritional information tables. Okay, so first, if you see, this is a packet of cookies, and when you see the information on the box, first thing that you need to know is this logo. This green logo indicates that the cookies here, they are from made from vegetarian components, while the second thing that you need to notice is best before date. That is, this indicates expiry date or the shelf life of these cookies. And third one, the most important thing that we need to see is this nutritional information table here. So it indicates the level of fats and sugars and salts, dietary fibers and other things. And this table here that you see, it is the ingredients of these cookies. All right. So if you see this soup powder, this soup powder says it's made up of 100% real vegetables and it does not have any preservatives. While if you see the sodium content per serving, it is 537 milligrams. That means if you have one serving of this soup, then you are going to have nearly 20% of sodium of your daily requirement. Alright, then we have this fruit juice, and if you see these fruit juice again, this table is here. And what information do we get from this table? That it has sugar nearly 11.4 grams, it has certain flavoring agents, and then it has sweetener also. And the sweetener is 960, and it is, just find out, it is stevia. And then it also says that it is a concentrate, a fruit concentrate, in which pomegranate juice is 3.4%, and apple juice is just 1.1%, and red grape juice is 0.7%. So I think it's better that you have more of whole fruits instead of having these juices. Then if we come to the chips, chips are rich in fat. If you consume, then this nutritional information table is here, and if you check it out here, 100 grams of this packet, it contains nearly 36 grams of fat, out of which 17 grams is bad fat. So 50% of the fat that you're consuming, it's a bad fat. So this should be eaten in moderation. If you see chocolates again, chocolates, as you know, that these are high in sugar, nearly 57% of sugar, and fats are 28.9. It has percent, and it has flavoring agents which are natural, nature identical, and artificial flavoring agents also. Now this sweetened carbonated drink, if you see the table here, a very small table here, but you need to check out the sugar content here. So it says that 100 ml of this drink, it contains 10 grams of sugar. So if you will take nearly 200 ml of this drink, which will contain 20 grams of sugar. And the maximum amount of sugar that you can take per day is nearly 50 grams. That means around 40% of your sugar requirement will be completed with consumption of one glass of this sugary juice. Okay. Now, even in these cookies also, it's written in very minute letters, but I'll just read it out for you. It is indicating certain numbers here: INS 500, 503, 450, 296, 223. So you need to check what these numbers indicate, and these are mostly approved chemicals, but too much of chemicals, they are not good for us. And then I would also like to show you this oil, which has this F plus marking. So this indicates that it is fortified. It's fortified with vitamin A, D and E. So because these vitamins are very important for us, so that is why it has been fortified. Then you must have heard about probiotics also, certain ice creams and curd which are available in the market. So they contain friendly bacteria, and these bacteria, they help in digestion and they also help in absorption of nutrients. And I would like to show you this also. You can see here organic. So what does organic mean? It means that for the preparation of this pulses, then no pesticide or fertilizers were used, and it is purely close to nature, so it's good for our health. Then be a smart consumer. It's about mindful eating, and it's about what you eat and how much you eat. So take care of yourself, your near and dear ones, and spread the facts that you have learned today. You are the change maker, and you have to decide, and you can make the difference. So don't forget to share your experience, your thoughts, your queries and feedback with me at divachokar@dpsrkp.net. Thank you.